I think the biggest thing why we moved to Morataglu Academy is the education bit, because that was the most important factor for us. Because tennis is something which an individual will develop with his own passion and his hard work. But we didn't want to miss the studies a bit, because that is going to be his backup plan or his cushion for his career. So that was what we parents were very particular about, and that's where when we had our Skype interview with Caroline through Anjali and Nilay, we got the greatest support from Caroline, telling us and ensuring us that the many kids who come across the world to Morataglu Academy, and various levels kids come in, and each of the subjects they have different levels when they come into the academy. But they ensure that they are all taken care of, and they move these kids and understand their levels and accordingly place them in the classrooms and walk. By end of the year, they all walk together and complete that level and move forward. And that assurance is something which has really helped us out to take this decision into moving to Morataglu Academy, which is the biggest, I understand, from our side.
Actually, they are very clear about the expectation setting, and they are very clear that they wanted to work along with the kid and then move along with the kid.
Absolutely.
They are ready to do that support and support the kid in every walk.
And actually do it.
Yeah.
And
give
what
that
saying is one thing and doing is another.
Right. So they really exhibited that expectation setting very well. They are ready to do it. The equal amount of efforts if the kid puts in, they move really very well, and successfully they can come out.
Correct. Can you describe the academic and tennis program at the academy and how it has motivated you with the attitude towards an academic focus for you, along with tennis obviously?
The teachers help a lot. Like when we as students see the teachers and coaches working hard on us, makes us as students motivated to work on ourselves more harder and more harder every time we fail or we still want to keep up, as they keep helping us with our mental, psychological, every part of view of us. So they help a lot.
Do you find it rigorous?
Yes, it's really challenging. It's good.
Okay. And you think that's helping you form
Yeah.
a better...
Yeah, actually, because they give us challenging tasks and which we have to complete in a proper deadline. So it makes me more, it kicks off my laziness much.
Okay. Do they enforce
really,
the discipline on the campus?
Yes, they do. They're really disciplined. They make the students more disciplined, and they really respect the deadlines for submitting their homeworks, assignments, projects, anything.
Okay. And I think that's one of the biggest concerns when you send your child away so far is the discipline on campus.
Like, the discipline on campus is really strict too. So, like, going to bed on time so we can get proper sleeps. Whatever they do, whatever is the rules and regulations, is basically to help us. So, it's good.
And they enforce it
Yeah,
very tightly?
Strictly, very strictly.
Okay. And how is the faculty and the team at the Morataglu Tennis Academy, the academic side and the tennis side and the fitness side and the entire program?
In academics, the teachers help a lot for a student who's lagging behind by creating more extra classes or helping out in any way they can or they should. It's really good for the academic side, and even in the tennis part, which they take care of the mental issues as well. Even take care of the problems what they're going through in school. They try to communicate with the teachers and make the kid more comfortable in the environment so you can do good in tennis as well as in studies.
So the support between the academic and the tennis team is good, which
Really
helps
good.
you all function in integration.
Yeah, yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay. And let's assume as a student you're suffering, let's say in maths or English or any other subject, like there are many students on the campus. How do they support a particular subject that you're not good at?
Like they create extra classes, or they give us like an easier task to do for the beginning, and then keep pushing us to our limits and make us do the subject as good as possible, as how good as the student can do, and improve his basics and go to the advanced of the same subjects and make them as good as the other people.
And you think the class size being small,
Yeah,
you're able
that-
to communicate much better with the teachers?
Yes, because like there are almost like only 7 of us in a class and 1 teacher, which makes the students communicate with other students really good during classes by asking questions to the teacher, and the students even answering. They get a chance. Every student gets a chance to answer. So it's really helpful by having a small amount of students in one class.
So you're able to iron out your problems
Yes.
within the class.
Yes.
Correct. Are you happy?
Yes, really happy.
Because that is the most important
Yes.
thing. Are you happy doing both?
Yes.
Great. Thanks so much.
Thank you.